fruits, vegetables, and flowers are all perishable. From the time they are harvested, a challenging fight to keep them fresh begins. It doesn't last long, and often comes with frustration, as vast amounts of fresh produce and flowers go to waste. With each bag, carton, and pallet thrown out, so too are unrealized profits. Keeping things fresh longer, safer, allowing us to do more with less. The problem affects the consumer, the environment, and the company's bottom line. Seemingly without a real solution. Until now. Born from NASA, Airocide's revolutionary technology allows us to drastically reduce shrinkage, improve food safety, and provide the freshest produce and flowers to your customers. All this with one machine. A machine that uses no filters, has nothing to clean, is virtually maintenance-free, and runs on as little power as 3 100-watt light bulbs. It's an elegant solution, but it had to be. See, Airocide was invented when NASA needed to create a sustainable food supply for its astronauts on board the space station. The problem was that ethylene gas, a ripening agent, had to be evacuated from the food storage chambers to keep the food fresh. So NASA came up with an answer that did exactly what they needed, and more. It eliminated not only the ethylene gas, but also mold, fungi, bacteria, viruses, and even volatile organic compounds. It was perfect. And it was perfect for more than space. NASA's problems were the same faced by growers and sellers of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. According to estimates, roughly 21% of fresh produce is lost to spoilage by ethylene gas. 17% is lost from bacteria and mold. Would you invest in a technology that could increase your profits by 38%? Invest in Airocide. Flowers, fruits, and vegetables stay fresher longer. Bananas, for example, can keep up to 35 days, and other fruits and vegetables can be extended up to 20 days. Across the UAE, Airocide has been successfully incorporated into Almaya, Aswak, Timar, and City Mart supermarkets to keep produce fresh. And food processing companies, such as those providing ready-to-eat salads, cut fruit and beverages to retail stores, hotels, and airlines, are also benefiting. As food safety is a growing concern, they're finding Airocide provides significant improvements in the quality of their finished products. During processing, contaminants like mold and bacteria are constantly released into the air, spiking simply from washing or opening a door, and then spreading rapidly to all areas of production. Airocide can bring these levels down to near zero. This allows for less cross-contamination and loss of produce, as well as better safety, quality, and shelf life for juices and other processed goods. Abroad, Airocide is backed by clinical studies at prominent U.S. universities and used by the U.S. Army, as well as leading U.S. grocers, producers, and floral companies such as Whole Foods, Del Monte, and Reeves Floral, to name a few. It's also incorporated into sub-zero high-end refrigerators to keep produce fresher for prolonged times. These companies, as well as many others, each have their own success story. Reeves Floral, for example, had cut flowers last 18 days longer providing their business with savings and their customers with satisfaction. Whole Foods estimated a savings of $40,000 per year per location simply by increasing the shelf life of berries 7 days. Dixie Produce and Pro Organics each reduce spoilage by nearly 25%. Lucrative results like these don't lie. Installing Airocide will increase the life of your produce, increase food safety at your facilities, increase the quality of your product to consumers, and increase your company's profits. Airocide. Protect, preserve, and extend life.